Thibitari Munene wa Nakuru ni Utigitwo Uhingitwo Muthenya Umwe thutha wa Igoti Inene ria Nakuru Gwatha Abithaa Munene wa Borithi Kauntini iyo Niguo Kueheria Imaramari Iria Cieyoeire Wathani Thibitariini Ucio.
We are perturbed by the fact that the dispute has dangerously exposed many patients within the county and neighboring counties who depend on the facility for medical services to risks, denying them access to healthcare, contrary to Article 43 of the Constitution of
Komanda wa Borithi Kauntini iyo ni aheirwo mitaratara muthenya wa keri kwa-ini kuria augite ni akuhingia mitaratara iyo thutha wa mathaa 24.
In fact, as civil society would support anyone who is out here to protect public lands, but that person must first and foremost adhere with the rule of law. It's not right to say one thing and do another. If indeed, as the governor says, the management forged documents, where is the better place to prosecute that matter if not through the courts? Why can't we allow natural justice to take its course?
Ona gukiri uguo gikundi kiu ni Kueheria Thibitariini ucio muthenya wa keri kiroko kuria matigire mahingite mirango yothe na kufuri. Undu uyu uhanikite thutha wa gikundi kia Muingi Gutetia Thirikari ya Kaunty ni undu uria maugite ni kwagarara mitaratara ya Igoti Inene kuria Thibitariini uyu ugomeirwo ni Ngucanio.
Ni nani huyu anatuma magenge ya kihalifu kwenye War Memorial? Na tumeona na inasemekana imedaiwa ya kwamba wengine wanaonekana wamebeba hata tear gas. Ni nani huyu ambaye anatoa pesa za kulipa hawa magenge ya kuhangaisha wananchi?
Kuringana nao ni maugite ati ngucanio ici ciabataire gutwarwo igoti-ini niguo Thibitariini ucio hote gutwarithia na mbere na gutungatira muingi. Ngiribotera Muthenya TV, Ketwo King'ori wa Gatundu.